Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the Docker image layer. What is Docker image? Docker is a open source and lightweight containerization technology, and it helps to automate the deployment of applications in portable lightweight containers. Next we are going to know about Docker image. What is Docker image? A Docker image is like a blueprint for creating Docker containers. You can create a Docker image using the Docker build command. This image contains code and all the dependencies needed to run an application. Docker images are stored in the Docker registry. If we want to pull that images, we can make an authentication with Docker Hub, and we can directly pull the images from the Docker registry. What are Docker image layers? Docker image layers are the building blocks of a Docker image. Each layer corresponds to a step in the Docker file, like installing the software, copying files, or setting commands. Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of Docker image layers. It will save the time. It means no need to rebuild unchanged steps. Docker reuses cached the layers. It will save the space. Shared layers are not duplicated across images. Faster and sharing, only new or changed layers are the uploaded or downloaded. Finally, Docker image layers make working with images faster, more efficient, and reusable. Now I am going to make a demo of the Docker image layers. First, I have connected to my instance with EC2, and I am going to clone the repository from my GitHub. Link is provided in my video description. Now I am going to clone this repository. Click on code and I am choosing the HTTPS to clone and paste the repository of the URL. Just now it's cloned ls. We can see here Docker image layers. Now we will see what is the information available in the Docker image layers. I'm going to GitHub repository and checking the Docker file. These are the instructions I have mentioned in the Docker file. So now we are going to build the Docker file by using the Docker build command. Docker build -t my layer. I'm giving the current directory. Now it is telling here 6 layers are forming. First one is from Docker Ubuntu 20. Here second layer. Now it is going to install. It's installing already. And third layer. And now it will show the every layer. Going to it's installing now Python and pip. It is the building time. How much time it is taking, we can able to see here. Now completed. 6 by 6 layers are completed. Now we are going to check the Docker images. By using the Docker images command, we can check the images. This is the image, my layer. Just now we have created. This is 20 seconds ago. This size is 459 MB. I'm going to check the Docker layers. We can check the Docker layers by using the Docker history command. We need to give the image name. You can able to see here. This is the layers just now it has created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It said 6 layers. Now it is matching. So we can see what layer it has created by. And I'm going to show image how it is forming. This is the image. It came by layer, and final output is this last base one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.